some 4 closing techniques, powerful closing techniques. The first one is assumption close. That is, you assume without even asking the client, are you interested? You assume that a customer is already interested, the client is already interested. So the way of closing them is like, sir, how are you planning to pay? Is it through card, a Google Pay, or a check? How do you want to pay? Okay, so you're already concluding that the client is already ready for closing. You're not asking him. Okay, you're just directly getting into the closing area. Okay, asking him check or cash or Google Pay, or whose name should I pack this, or should I make it as a present? Whatever it is. This is assumption close. Very powerful.